Guess what? We finally finished the trailer. Check it out. So it's right now connected to the RAV4 here. Let me just plug this in so I can show you guys all the wiring and everything. So we did the wiring as best as possible. My boy Imran actually did the whole wiring. Okay, so the wiring here goes from the car into the trailer frame, and it's kind of zip tied in throughout. It goes in that direction and then this direction for this side. So that's what that is looking like. We did install one of these wheel here. This third wheel is going to basically just keep this level and everything and help us move this thing when there's no car hooked up on it. And yeah, this is what the trailer is actually looking like. So for the metal, we basically ended up using those things, the gutter stuff. It's very lightweight. It's aluminum and everything, rust proof and all that. So I thought this was probably going to be the best option for doing that. And this here is the license plate and also a backup camera, which I brought in from the older trailer. This is just plug and play basically. It does have a solar panel, so it just works like that. Pretty cool. This is the double door. We got these type of lock on it, but I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep this type or probably convert it to something else later on. But this one basically just locks up here, so you can't open this anymore, and that basically prevents it from unlocking. Definitely got to grease that up. But yeah, this is the inside. It just looks so cool. It's all black inside because the other side is black of the tin, and you guys probably see some holes and stuff, which we would also have to work out on, especially from the top, because we don't want water falling down through this. You can see those the tires you can see from the inside. So yeah, as you can see, I got these cut out, and these are basically what's going to help us kind of seal this up. So I'm going to put angle here and rivet those in, cutting them up and stuff. But I left my tool at the job site, so that's where we're going. It's probably going to be nighttime, so I just wanted to show you guys the trailer before it gets too dark. So I'm gonna get in here, and here I am. I'm basically just crouching right now, and I could fit in here fine and stuff. Just this is obviously for just grabbing a tool or something like that. I'm not gonna be living in here, so it's gonna be fine. The height and everything. I am gonna do some wiring and stuff for lights and all that stuff, and charging tools and all that kind of stuff later down the road. But for the trailer, this is kind of it. After kind of closing up all the gaps, that would be kind of it for this. But basically, we're gonna go to the job site, get all the tools in here, and organize them, and kind of see how that works out. So this is the side door, and through the side door, we put a 2x4 here. That kind of did add some rigidity to the door, and not only that, it's gonna hold the lock on the other side, as you will see right now. So same stuff on this side, just like that. I feel like it's pretty open, as open as I kind of need it to be, and it's kind of ready to go. It's hooked up to the car, so yeah, we'll take our first test drive and everything. So it's been some time that I've been driving with the trailer right now. It's been like 5-6 minutes maybe, and honestly I feel pretty confident, pulling this trailer. It will get obviously a little bit heavier, but with all the calculation that I did, I can still put around 1,000 pounds even after the trailer and everything, and then still tow safely with the weight rating of this vehicle. So I should be fine with that and everything. And honestly, the ride is very smooth right now. Only thing that I do notice is, well, right now I'm actually in regular mode. I'm not in eco mode, so it's going like literally exactly how it would be if I drive normally, except like it does demand a little bit more power, as you can see on the gauge. It goes from eco to power, and yeah, we are using the engine a lot more than previously and everything like that. So that's the only difference that I actually see with this. Basically, I feel confident braking and everything. Right now I'm gonna go into like this road where they took out the road. The trailer is surprisingly not noisy or anything, just pretty nice. And I feel like I would kind of feel confident if I have to take this somewhere far. There will be a final video that I put on after this, which is going to show after painting and everything, like kind of like the final product really. And obviously this trailer didn't turn out perfect because this is my first time building any trailer like this. So I think for the first time it was pretty good, whatever we came up with. Next one, I believe I will start with a metal frame and stuff, and I think that one will turn out a little bit better, maybe a little bit lighter in that sense, if I don't use too much wood and everything like that. But I think for this one it's fine. Maybe I'll sell this one too. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this one yet, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Peace.